Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here again, and welcome to all of you. I'm so happy to see you here on my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you are doing great and ready for some fun. This video is full of joy and celebration. Let's enjoy this special moment together. I made this video with a lots of love and care. I'm sure you will enjoy every second of it. So guys, stay with me till the end. Let's begin this beautiful journey together. Just look at this beautiful Independence Day cake. This color of the flag looks so perfect on it. It's not just a pretty, it's a super tasty too. Every layer is filled with flavor and love. The design shows true love for our country. It's soft, fresh and made with care. Perfect for celebrations this proud day. A cake that speaks of freedom and unity is simple but full of patriotic spirit, truly a sweet way to say Happy Independence Day. This channel is made just for you. I always try to share creative and fun ideas. From decor to celebrations, everything is here. I love bringing colorful joy to your screen. If you like beautiful things, you're in the right place. My channel is growing with your support. Thank you so much for always watching and encourage me. I put my heart into every video I make. Your love make this channel special. Keep supporting and stay part of this lovely family. Look at these amazing paper decorations. Each piece is handmade with love and effort. The designs are simple yet so eye-catching, perfect for parties, events, or any celebrations. They add beauty to every corner of the room. Easy to make, but the look so grand. Colors are bright and full of festive vibes. Great way to celebrate without spending too much. Your guest will surely love them. Paper decor brings life to every celebrations. This cake is not just delicious, it's a piece of art. The decoration is done with full attention to detail. I used fresh cream and smooth icing for a perfect look. The color is inspired by the beauty of our flag. Every layer is soft, creamy, and full of flavor. The topping is neat, elegant, and eye catching. It's perfect for your Independence Day celebration table. I added small flags and stars to give a patriotic touch. This cake is made with love for my country and my viewers. A sweet treat that looks as beautiful as it tastes. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like and comment, and yes, please subscribe for more fun. Stay happy and keep smiling. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I will see you tomorrow in the next video soon. Until then, keep celebrating and stay creative. Allah Hafiz and lots of love to all of you.